Pisces, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for March. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. Please always note that for me the top row is always for the sign that I go ahead and do this video for. Now while I'm shuffling the cards, please also note that tarot should always be used as a guide, so only take what resonates, leave the rest. Let's see what this month has for you. We see that you have the Four of Cups, the Two of Wands, the Temperance card, and the Six of Swords. Your person has the Moon card, the Ten of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Knight of Cups. We'll also go ahead and take one card, which is the mutual feeling both of you have, the blockage in this relationship, and what will be the outcome of the relationship. Bottom of the deck, I have the Three of Pentacles. So there is a lot of teamwork which is required in this relationship for this relationship to move forward. Okay. Now what I see here is you have the Four of Cups. With the Four of Cups, you are currently not interested. You are a little bored. You don't want to pick up that cup. Okay. However, that could be because you have two options, and one of those options is something that you are just not interested in, but maybe that person is interested in you. Okay. You definitely are looking for some kind of a balance in this particular relationship, and till the time you don't get that balance, you feel that there is a lot of burden that you are carrying. Okay, with the Six of Swords, you definitely feel that there is a lot of burden, a lot of stress that you're going through because you're looking for a balance in this relationship and you're not getting the balance from the right person. Instead, you are getting that cup of love from maybe somebody that you are not interested in. Okay. The other person that I see is having the Moon card. There could be something that this person has not told you, or they have done something in the dark that they can't reveal to you. Okay, that something has happened in the Moon energy. So there are some secrets. Okay, now that secret could also be with regards to a family situation or with regards to something that has happened regarding their family. Okay, that is also possible. So that is something that maybe currently they are a little embarrassed. They don't want to go ahead and have that conversation with you. But yes, the Wheel of Fortune will move. Okay, it doesn't remain stagnant. It definitely changes. And once this Wheel of Fortune moves, this person will rush in. With the Knight of Cups energy, they will rush in and express their love towards you. You just need to be a little patient right now. The mutual feeling that I have for both of you, I see the Devil card. Okay, now with the Devil card, there could be some addiction that either you or both of you are going through. Okay, now this addiction is the negative energy that is maybe around you, or you have that negative habit. Okay, it could be anything, sex, drugs, alcohol, anything which is not good for a human being. That could be the devil energy. So what you are advised to do is go ahead and try to just self-reflect and see what kind of a habit that you have that is a little negative. If you have friends that don't add value in your life, they go ahead and don't show you the right path, do you really want to have such kind of friends also? Okay, so anything which is negative, be it in the form of friends, family, relatives, anything for that matter, any habit that you have which doesn't add value to you, which doesn't take you in the right path, is the devil energy. Okay, now let's also see what is the blockage in the relationship. Both of you are currently in the Hanged Man stage. Okay, so yes, either one or both of you are in the devil energy, and because you are currently dealing with that particular energy, you are also in the Hanged Man phase because you can't move till the time you don't sort this out. You just can't move. Now let's also see what we have as the outcome is the Tower card. Now you can't be in the Hanged Man energy for very long, okay? Because when the Tower hits, it's not going to go ahead and give you a notification. It just hits, and when the Tower hits, anything which is not built on a stable ground will come crumbling down, okay? So if this relationship was built on faulty grounds, if it was built on a foundation that was not strong, that was not built on honesty, then yes, it will come crumbling down. Okay, so it's a very positive card in a way, because this is nature's way of coming into full force and destroying anything which is built on lies, deceit. Okay, that's a way where the superpower, you might want to call it with any name, that's where that power tells that I am seeing everything, and anything which is not correct, I will go ahead and destroy it. So I totally agree, and I totally believe in the fact that when the tower hits, okay, it's one way to go ahead and self introspect and understand that this happened because maybe there was something that was not correct. Now let's quickly see what is the intention of this person for you this particular month. So let's take one card. Now that's the Two of Cups. That's your soulmate card. Both of you have a lot of love and emotion for each other. That's very positive. Let's take one more. That's the Queen of Pentacles. Okay, with the Queen of Pentacles, yes, this person wants to offer their finances. They want to share actually their finances with you. Okay, so that's a positive sign that I see, that this person has this pentacle. They are interested in that pentacle, and yes, they want to share that with you. Now again, if you see, I have the Devil card. Okay, now this is where it gets interesting. You have the Devil card here, you get the Devil card here. Okay, now this could be a situation that this person, okay, has a lot of love for you. However, there could be a scenario where there is another committed relationship with somebody at home, okay, and you are the third person, you are the negativity. Okay, now this is for very few of you, okay, because here this person is in love, okay, but there is somebody, okay, ideally this person looks like a wife energy. Okay, so it could be a wife or husband, anybody who has all their finances in place, takes care of the household. And with the Devil card here, it means that something in between these two, where that option has to be taken. Okay, and that's why you also have those Two of Wands. So there could be something where this person has to choose between love and finances, and if this person picks up the wrong card, is when the tower is gonna hit. Okay, so that's the message that I'm getting from these cards today. Now let's also quickly see what is the message from archangels for you. Let's take one card here to understand what is the message from archangels. Alright, now the crystal that I see for you is the golden topaz. The crystal message is, do you need to recapture your personal power? Surround yourself with people who recognize your talent, intelligence, creativity, kindness and thoughtfulness. Their appreciation will amplify your goodness. Share your inner wisdom and beauty. It is time to reclaim and amplify your personal power. Now, the message from the Archangel Jophiel, I'll put in the description box. You can read from there. Now, that's all I have for you for this particular month. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until next time, please stay safe and love yourself first.